Hi folks, and welcome back to our channel. Yes, it's that time of the year. Fall colors, sweater weather, and time to apply for Green Card Lottery, or the program also known as Electronic Diversity Program. We'll give you an in-depth overview of what this program is all about, and then walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for it. So let's jump right into it. We are Nata and Stepa, your go-to travel duo. If you're someone looking to immigrate to the United States, the Electronic Diversity Visa Program can be one of the options for you. In 2023, the application window is now open and is between October the 4th and November the 7th. So what is this program and why is it called the lottery? The Electronic Diversity Visa Program is an annual initiative by the United States government that offers a unique opportunity for individuals from countries with historically low rates of immigration to the United States. The program aims to diversify the immigration population in the United States by granting up to 55,000 immigrants visas, allowing winners and their eligible family members to live and work legally in the United States. The reason it's a lottery is because the successful candidates are being picked from the pool of applicants on absolutely random basis. There won't be any preference given based on any parameters like level of education or age. The only requirement to meet is the eligibility criteria. Quick note: beware of scams. If someone is telling they can apply on your behalf and guarantee you'll be selected, know that you are being scammed. Electronic Diversity Visa Program is based on randomized selection, and there's no way to affect the results in your favor. Plus, the application process itself is very simple and doesn't require help from a lawyer or immigration specialist. We'll be covering the step-by-step application process later in this video. Before we jump into submission process, make sure to check eligibility parameters. They can be found on the official program website, dv-program.state.gov. To apply for the Diversity Visa Lottery, you must meet certain criteria. You should have at least a high school education or equivalent of 2 years of work experience within the last 5 years in an occupation that requires at least 2 years of training or experience. You must have been born in one of the qualifying countries. The list of qualifying countries may be changed from year to year, so it's crucial to check the official DV Lottery website for most up-to-date information. If you're applying in 2023, here's a list of countries that are not eligible to apply: Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, China, mainland and Hong Kong, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Korea, Venezuela, and Vietnam. The reason for this limitation is that these territories have already sent more than 50,000 immigrants to the US in prior 5 years through other immigration programs. So to keep immigration truly diverse, the list of eligible countries is being reviewed every year. If your country is on the list of ineligible countries, don't get discouraged. You can also apply through a country where one of your parents were born, or if you're applying with a spouse, their country of birth can also be used for your application. Now that we've confirmed eligibility, we are ready to start the submission. Go to the program website at dv-program.state.gov and click Begin Entry. Go through automatic security measures and start filling out electronic form. Fill out your last name, first name, and middle name. If you don't have first name or middle name, make sure to check the box underneath. Confirm your gender. They are still using genders defined at birth, so there are only 2 options. Next is your birthday. The next step is the city where you were born. Just fill out the city name itself, no need for state, province, or region. Also, if you don't know your birth city, check that box below. Choose the country where you were born. Now, remember we were talking earlier about applying through your parents' or your spouse's country of birth? Well, here's where it comes into play. If that's your case, choose No in the next section. Then choose your relative's country from the drop-down list. Remember, this country has to be on the list of eligible countries. Next step would be to submit your photograph. Now, this is very important. Make sure to click on the instructions link and study the requirements for the photo. It cannot be digitally altered. You're not supposed to be wearing glasses. The photo needs to be of a certain size and resolution. You can print out the digital image requirements and bring it with you to the photo studio. Once your photo is ready, you can upload it to your application form. Next step is the information regarding your current residence. Fill out your mailing address, your phone number, which is optional, and your email address. Next step is the level of education. Select one from the list on the screen. What is your current marital status? Make sure to read through all the options. If you have children, specify the number here. You can include biological, legally adopted, or stepchildren who are up to 21 years old on the date of your application submission. And that's it! Congratulations, you've submitted your application. After submitting your entry, you will receive a confirmation number. This number is essential, so make sure to keep it in a safe place. Together with your email address, you'll use it to check the status of your application later. Be cautious of any scams or websites that claim to check your status. The official DV Lottery website is the only legitimate source for that information. Once the entry period ends, the US government conducts a random selection process to choose the winners. The results are usually announced the following year in May. You can check your status on the official DV Lottery website using your confirmation number. If you win, congratulations! You'll receive further instructions on the next steps. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fill out the application to participate in the Electronic Diversity Visa Program, also known as a Green Card Lottery. We hope this detailed information has been helpful in understanding this process. Remember, winning the DV Lottery is a fantastic opportunity, but it's essential to follow all the guidelines and requirements throughout the application process. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best of luck if you decide to enter the DV Lottery. Safe travels, and till next time!